let's go more places. Our buddy Carl Montoya brought this bad boy in. Hand-drawn art. We're getting ready to knock it out of the park. Wait till you see this. So we're starting to get a good chunk of this laid, and I'm loving the result. This looks amazing. The print came out. Carl's gonna be stoked. Absolutely sick. And he goes everywhere, so you guys are gonna see him. Instagram, let's go more places. He loves to play in the snow, and that's why the whole theme, right? It's the snow, the borders, the Yeti, I mean the whole thing. Absolutely badass design. Hey guys, we're done with Carl's big beast. I don't even know what to call this thing. All I know is I'm super happy with how it turned out. It's completely done. Driver's side, passenger side, and the rear. Theme flows all the way around. All hand drawn. Big time snowboarder. Anybody that knows Carl, hashtag let's go more places. This guy loves to play in the snow, loves to board, and so excited that he let us be a part of this project. Can't wait to see it on the slopes.